Hey everybody, how's it going? So I picked up a bunch of electrical connectors, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I went to Home Depot in the middle of my wife's project for her light, for her grow light. I went and picked up a bunch of electrical connectors. And the funny thing about it is after I got all the connectors home, I found the container that had all the connectors. But it doesn't hurt to have extras anyways. I use these connectors quite a bit. I think I've done a couple videos on them, I believe. These are all males. And I also got some switches too. Female, female, female. Female. They didn't have equal amounts, so I just grabbed what they had. I basically just took everything off the shelf. So these are female, male. Pull these out the male. Male. Figured I'd just show you guys what I picked up. I do use these a lot. I use them on vehicles and help get people back on the road, stuff like that. Female. As well as my personal vehicles for wiring stuff in. These are male. Kind of just lay these out. I also picked up a couple different switches, you know, like toggle switches and stuff like that. Here's one of them. Here's another toggle switch. I figured the toggle switches would come in handy. Some of them have pigtails, some of them take just spades. And I usually buy in bulk anyways. It's cheaper for me. Another switch. Okay, so female. This is a male. These are switches. So, grabbed 6 males in the 22 to 16 gauge and 8 females, and their packages of 15. For the 16 to 14 gauge, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 males and boxes of 15. And I have kind of move these to the side. Two, 4, 6, 7. 7 of the females. And then I grabbed, so 6 male, 5 male, 7 female. And then I grabbed some of the 12 to 10 gauge, which these come in 10 packs. You don't get them any bigger than that. So I have I have 3 male and 3 female. That's what they had. And then I picked up some different toggle switches. These are all different ratings. GSW 121, GSW 17, GSW 16, GSW 13, GSW 18, and GSW 17, which is all the part numbers. 3 amp, 240 volt, 6 amp, 120 volt. This one right here is 4 amp, 250 volt, 8 amp, 125 volt, 10 amp, 125 vac, 1.3 horsepower, or 125 vac. So these are all different. 10 amp, 277 volt, 20 amp, 125 volts, 11 to 2 horsepower, 125 to 250 vac AC. This one right here is 10 amp, 227 volt, alternating current, 20 amp, 125 volt alternating current, 3/4 horsepower. This guy right here is 10 amp, 277, 20 amp, 125 volt, 3/4 horsepower. And this one is 3 amp, 240 volt, and 6 amp, 120 volts. So they're all different. So that's what I picked up at Home Depot. And I also picked up wire loom, but we'll do a different video on the wire loom. I ended up using some of the wire loom for my wife's project. I'm gonna make this a pretty short video today. I use these connectors all the time. So if you guys have any in particular questions about them, just go ahead and leave comments down below. I usually get these from either Home Depot or I usually get them from the auto stores, but Home Depot has bigger packs. And Gardner Bender is the average brand you find everywhere for these types of connectors. And I use these connectors quite often. I was using my electrical box right here. This box right here has some connectors in it, and I thought I ran out of connectors. I could have swore I had more, and then I found this box right here, which has these connectors in it, which you can see how empty. These were full originally, and all these slots are quite empty. I need to put these in a different container, but you know, I do use these quite often. They work very well. I even have some right angle style ones in here. I wish you can find the right angle style in the 10 gauge and the 14 gauge, or the 10 and 12 gauge and the 22 and 16 gauge. You can find them easily in the 16, 14 gauge, but figured I'd show you guys what's going on today. I actually picked these up yesterday, just was a long day, but do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Smoosh the bell notification icon. And top of the description, I also have a Ulsa Tools link for 10% off. When you use that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off of my next order. So when you do use it, it does help me save a little money on bringing tools and stuff to the channel. I do have some Ulsa tools coming on the way that we're going to take a look at. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!